just that I've not drawn anything. I have quite an inclination towards that.
Okay.
So just thought of utilizing this opportunity, kind of come to school and to meet everyone around. Pathways means parents are well connected, not only kids. So I think this with having this painting all together, different types, I think we're just getting everything spirit back.
It's thrilling, I will say. Thrilling is the word.
Thrilling.
Thrilling and relaxing.
Yeah.
And it's a perfect weather to do outdoor activity and you feel like a child now.
It's first of all, it's good to be back to Pathways.
Yeah.
After 2 years of hiatus, and so the children are excited and so are we.
I think it's a feeling that is cannot be expressed in words actually. To be able to meet people and to do something creative outside of your house is something I think everybody must be looking forward to.
I mean, other than feeling like a kid again, I mean, it's just so nice to see people back here in school again.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's fantastic.
And it's just, I'm very nostalgic about getting to this. And Pathways always been warm welcome for parents. So yes, enjoying the good sunny day. Back to the campus.
It's nice to be back to colors. It's back to the roads. It's very nicely managed, and I think it's a nice break for mothers.
It's amazing and this is like therapeutic. And it's so nice. You know, it's a good change for mothers.
I'm feeling amazing. You know, I have not done this kind of painting ever before, and I can't even call this a regular painting.
Yeah.
This is like a meditation. This is clearly meditation because we're feeling happy while doing it. You know, when I'm stroking with the brush, feeling divine. Trust me.
Great. It's actually therapeutic. It's a really nice experience. Today is the first day I'm doing a painting. So sculpt especially, it's a very new concept for me, and it's lovely meeting everybody, doing a very new thing, and it's coming up really nice. Honestly, with the hectic schedule, it's so mind relaxing, enjoying it fullest, and also this is something very new. We've never done it before.
Yeah.
What's sculpture? Never. Painting.
Feels good to be back in school, attending my art and craft class. So yeah,